Good evening, much love everybody. Cuts one back again. Just want to share this one real quick. Fair use.
How one company is leveraging blockchain
Call it
technology to
Cure
decentralize
Coin.
healthcare. When high-quality healthcare research exists, medical personnel can more effectively collaborate to prevent diseases, providing people in general with a better quality of life. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, many around the world noticed a discrepancy in response to this specific disease in comparison to other healthcare concerns plaguing the world. This led to questions such as, why was it that researchers and scientists were able to create a vaccine in 3 months? How was it that researchers from around the world were able to unite towards a common goal? And, what was it that motivated them to race towards a goal faster than ever before? The answer, in part, is believed to be the bureaucracy and national policies currently guarding patient healthcare data and, therefore, limiting the information available for global researchers to tap into, collate and share. Providing a solution that would open up data at this magnitude could mean that for the first time in history, researchers could work in unison against all major modern diseases affecting the world today rather than in the isolated pockets they do now. Furthermore, when looking at the healthcare industry today, there is also a vast discrepancy in both global standards and accessibility, especially for those in areas with less affordability. As a result, many cannot get the help they need or may avoid healthcare altogether for fear of the cost. The Cure Chain will kickstart these efforts in what Jacob Berkeley, the project founder and lead, describes as a dynamic NFT-based blockchain where researchers get access to massive amounts of data. This data is community sourced through the power of NFTs. In practice, individuals can opt into providing their anonymous health information, test results, conditions and more. The incentive for the patients, as the founder explains, is the more data they provide, the more they get personally rewarded. The key here is that the data remains anonymous, collecting only key metrics in healthcare history, so there is no risk of it being abused. The team poses this question to the community: if researchers are already paying a significant amount of money to gain access to data, then why not pay it forward and reward those that are providing it? A future for healthcare. Unlike most projects that launch as a business first and charity second, Cure is positioned as a charity first. The project is backed by the Beckley Foundation, a non-profit organization that supports those affected by childhood cancers. Its chairman, Jacob Beckley, is also the one leading the charge on the Cure project. Jacob continues to maintain a reputation for not sitting on the sidelines, instead, spending countless hours working alongside his dedicated team of 85, including volunteers. The team has since pushed Cure Chain forward as the future of Cure Token and decentralized healthcare and research concepts. More insights on Cure Token here. The result of the Cure Chain will be an accelerated discovery of cures and treatments. At the same time, the patients who helped provide the data could be rewarded with perpetual royalties for their contribution. The future utility of Cure is then said to become the currency that would provide access to these discoveries. Cure could be traded or donated to people in need to provide them access to quality and equal health care, regardless of where they are located. With its implementation, the team believes it could very well become one of the greatest equalizers the medical field has ever known, an opportunity to get everyone on Earth the help they need, and sounding the death knell for current healthcare barriers. Through the vision of one man. Although the project began as the vision of one man, it has quickly developed into an entire movement based on the access, decentralization and quality of healthcare. The project continues to grow at favorable rates, in part, due to the project's transparency and authenticity. To further its growth, Cure has announced several exciting events to spread its reach. Among these opportunities are the sponsoring and wrapping of a car at NASCAR ready for the Daytona 500 early next year, the onboarding of massive influencers and ambassadors, a crypto expo in Miami, with coincided bus stop adverts all over the city, and a trip to Puerto Rico to meet major investors and make additional charity donations. These efforts have resulted in over $300,000 raised for charity in 45 days, an astounding 9,000% increase and a daily volume peak of $1 million. Learn more about Cure Token. Disclaimer: Cointelegraph does not endorse any content or product on this page. While we aim at providing you with all important information that we could obtain, readers should do their own research before taking any actions related to the company and carry full responsibility for their decisions, nor can this article be considered as investment advice.
Wake up, it's 1984. Peace and love, everybody.